Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. You're watching K Entertainment Studio and I'm your host बनिया शहबाज। और आज चटकारा चौक की एक नई एपिसोड के साथ मैं आपको लेकर आ गई हूँ अल आसिफ स्क्वायर। और अल आसिफ स्क्वायर की जहाँ बात करें तो यहाँ के जो ट्रेडिशनल खाने हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फेमस हैं और यहाँ के जो रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं वहाँ के जो टेस्ट हैं वो बहुत ही मज़ेदार से हैं। लेकिन जब आप यहाँ अल आसिफ आ जाते हैं तो आपके लिए सिलेक्ट करना मुश्किल होता है कि आप कौन से रेस्टोरेंट को जाके चूज़ करें। वी आर हेयर एट दी मदीना रेस्टोरेंट, तो हम इनको लेकर आ गए हैं मदीना रेस्टोरेंट पर। तो चलिए मेरे साथ चलते हैं, मिस्टर विकी को भी ज्वाइन करते हैं और देखते हैं कि मदीना रेस्टोरेंट पे जो है हमारे लिए क्या आज स्पेशल खाने के लिए है। तो चलिए मेरे साथ। Oh my god, as usual excited man is here. What's going on here, Vicky?
Hello everyone, how are you? I hope everybody is doing good. I'm having very good time here. Like, what is the place this is called? Like, what is that?
It's the Al Asif Square.
All right,
Al
Al
Asif
Asif Square, right?
Yeah. And we are here on Medina restaurant.
Al Madina restaurant,
Yeah.
right? So guys, I'm gonna tell you, we are here at Al Madina restaurant, Al Asif Square. As you can see that, like, this is what is this called?
It's called, I think, Dumba Boti.
Dumba Boti.
Not Dumba. Dumba.
Dumba Boti.
Yeah, Dumba Boti, okay?
Dumba Boti. It seems really good though. Assalamu alaikum bhai. Kaise? ठीक है? So you know
Now
what,
you
like,
can
I'm just
speak
gonna get
Urdu,
that
yeah.
experience.
Yeah, you are.
I just want to try come over here and I just want to see that,
Okay.
like, how's that
Yeah,
work.
why not?
Right? See, this is, I just wanted to make it little like that, man. Let me see. See.
Okay,
This
I'm
is
also
what,
coming.
guys, I'm making this like it's crazy thing, and I'm gonna do that. Like, see, this is how it does
Vicky,
work
please
like that.
be careful.
It's too
Be
much
careful.
heat in it here,
Yeah.
but it seems really delicious here, and
So
I'm
guys,
having good fun.
I don't think that Vicky is here just for eating. Vicky is also enjoying that, like, इनको ये बनाने में भी बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है, बजाय ये कि जस्ट ये खाने नहीं आए यहाँ पर। मुझे लग रहा है कि ये इस स्ट्रीट को इतना एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं कि मैं खुद बना के देखूँ कि आखिर ये बनती कैसे है। Yeah? Are you getting my point? What I'm
Yes,
saying?
a little bit. I'm just getting her point, like what she's trying to say. Like, I'm having good fun here, and it seems really good, and it's really amazing, though. But yeah, come here. Like, see, this man is working hard to just get it done. This for our, like, stomach, right? So we need to make it like that. Say hello there, man. Hello. Say hello.
हम देख सकते हैं इसको?
Oh,
Oh my god!
Can I see that spoon there, man? Let me see the spoon. Let me see that.
ये आप इनको दीजिएगा।
Wow, look at that, man. This is Afghani. What is that? Afghani?
अफगानी पुलाव।
Afghani pulao.
Afghani
It's really
pulao.
amazing. I would love to eat like this.
No, but you can't. So finally, we are here with the owner of Al Madina restaurant and with Mr. Samiullah. Okay? अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप? ठीक है। अच्छा, ये हमारे साथ हमारे मेहमान मौजूद हैं जो कि स्पेशली जो हैं यूके से आए हैं जस्ट फॉर आपका ये जो अलमदीना रेस्टोरेंट का जो टेस्ट है वो देखने के लिए कि आखिर यहाँ पर ऐसा क्या बनता है जो पाकिस्तान की, कराची की जो आवाम है वो इतनी पागल क्यों है। मुझे लग रहा है कि आपने देखा होगा जब हम इंटर हुए तो यहाँ पर कितना क्राउड था मिस्टर विकी।
Yes, I mean, like, I can see that there's a lot of people around here, like, having good time and having good dinner, and I heard, as you told me about it, like, it's quite a famous place here in Karachi.
Yeah.
This is so-called, like, what is that, the place called? Al-Asif Square, right?
Al-Asif Square, yeah.
So, hi, how are you? I hope you're doing good, though, right?
ये आपसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आप कैसे हैं?
All right, mashallah, mashallah. It sounds really good, like, and we are here right there. I mean, what's your good name? Samiullah.
Samiullah.
So right now we are with the Samiullah, and he is actually the owner of Al Madina restaurant, and the entire team and the hospitality is really good and really awesome, and the guys are doing, you know, like delicious food and sort of things like that. I got crazy,
Okay.
you know, when I saw
But
it.
first we should ask him that what is the speciality of here, ना?
Yeah,
Okay.
obviously.
तो आप हमें थोड़ा सा ये बता सकते हैं कि आपकी जो सबसे स्पेशल डिश है यहाँ की वो कौन सी है? अफगानी बोटी। Do you want to?
Afghani boating.
अफगानी बोटी।
Afghani
Afghani.
boating.
बोटी भी कहते हैं, अफगानी बोटी भी कहते हैं।
Damba boating.
Not dumba.
Dumba
It's a
boating.
dumba बोटी।
All right, all right.
Okay, and और?
काबली पुलाव और अफगानी बोटी।
Okay, the kabli plow, अफगानी बोटी, dumba बोटी. So what would you like to try?
I would like to try all of it.
All of it, okay. तो ये कह रहे हैं कि इन्होंने जो है ये सारी डिशेस ट्राई करनी है, ठीक है? तो होपफुली आपको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है यहाँ पर।
I hope so. I'm gonna have a good fun here, like in terms of
Inshallah.
like dinner time, and it's like seems really good though. So it's gonna be again, it's something crazy, you know.
Crazy. So Vicky, hope you are enjoying here.
Yeah, I'm having good time here. Like, oh, all right. What is this?
Yeah, it's a traditional style to sitting here, to take a food here. You must like, I think.
All right, it's quite traditional here, like sitting,
Yeah.
like, you know, like you just eat, like, as in, like what you say. What we normally have, like drawing room sort of system,
Yeah, it's
right?
also as like a drawing room. और ये स्पेशली जो है, बल्कि मैं आपने व्यूवर्स को भी बताती चलूँ कि यहाँ की एक ख़ास बात ये भी है कि जो हमारे ट्रेडिशनल खाने हैं, खानों के साथ साथ यहाँ पर जो एक बेहतरीन इंतज़ाम है हमारी आवाम के लिए, वो ये है कि यहाँ पर आप आके अपना एक ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से बैठ के अपने खाने को एंजॉय कर सकते हैं। ये पूरा मैं चाहूँगी कि हमारे जो कैमरा मैन है वो दिखाएँ आपको।
It seems quite good actually, and it's really good.
So, Mr. Vicky, we are going to sit over here. Would you like to, please?
All right, for sure. You first, then I'm gonna
Okay.
sit over here.
You can also join me here.
Let's see. All right.
For the
That's pretty
delicious
good. Oh,
dinner.
all right. You have to sit like that, man. Yeah. All right.
So, are you feeling comfortable here? Not-
Yeah, much. I mean, comfortable here, like, and feeling relaxed. And it's quite good actually. And the system, the way they make it here, the place, like, it's really good.
It's really good. Yeah,
quite
it's amazing.
decent,
It's
pretty
amazing
decent.
style
Yeah.
for everyone. क्योंकि हमारा अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि कुछ पाकिस्तानी जो हमारी आवाम है या हमारे कराची के कुछ ऐसे लोग भी हैं जो कि थोड़ा सा जो है वो लाइक इट्स कॉल्ड पर्दा।
It's called पर्दा.
It's called पर्दा।
Alright.
थोड़ा सा वो चाहते हैं कि हम अपनी फैमिली के साथ आएँ और एक एज लाइक वो जो एक ड्राइंग रूम वाला जो इन्वायरमेंट होता है ना, तो वो यहाँ पर मेरे ख्याल से एक बड़ा बेहतरीन है, जो कि बिल्कुल एक पर्दे के साथ आप यहाँ पर आके बैठ सकते हैं, अपने डिनर को जो है अपनी फैमिली के साथ एंजॉय कर सकते हैं।
Wow, it's really awesome though. Look at that. Yay. How big is that? Like,
Oh my
it's
God.
really amazing. And I would love to eat like that,
Mr. Vicky,
but I cannot.
please. Mr. Vicky,
Obvious.
please.
Obvious. I think this is something as we do remember, like, this is like the place Afghani. So it must be Afghani roti.
Yeah, it must be
Yeah.
Afghani roti.
All right, that's great then. Thank you. Should I put it over here?
So finally, oh my God.
Oh
Vicky
wow,
ka
it's
favorite.
delicious food here.
Vicky ka
Assalamu
favorite
alaikum, bhai.
gosh.
How are you? Oh, very good. You know English, right?
Okay, Vicky, let
All
me
right, let's
show
have a
you.
look. What is this?
ये यहाँ का फेमस शोरबा है, ठीक है?
All
And
right.
this is, I think, rosh.
Roche.
Yeah, it's
that's
a
so
roche.
called roche.
And what is
And
this?
does it come with a roche, right?
Yeah,
All right, that's sort of curry.
curry. Yeah, you can call it
All
curry,
right.
shorba.
Wow, Baya, you are great. You're making me happy. It's delicious. What does it call that?
Afghani pulao.
Oh, Afghani pulao.
Afghani pulao.
Wow, I would love to eat it.
Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. Vicky is so excited
for, like,
here
something
with this
crazy,
food.
you know?
Actually, Vicky जो है वो बहुत
And
ज़्यादा
there's another
foodie
thing
है.
as well. That's what I've seen outside there. Like, is it what is this?
Afghani boti.
Afghani boti?
Yeah.
Wow. I
Afghani
would
boti.
love to eat like this. There we go. There we go.
ओके गाइस,
Oh.
तो खाना हमारा आ चुका है यहाँ पर और मेरे ख्याल से अब विकी की जो एक्साइटमेंट है वो और ज़्यादा बढ़ती जा रही है
I would love to eat first of all this one, the Afghani boti.
अफगानी बोटी.
I'm gonna try that. I'm just
मुझे
sorry.
लग रहा है कि ये
I'm
स्पाइस जो है
getting
कुछ
it first.
ज़्यादा हो
Like,
गया
I mean,
है.
I did not ask you for like to join me. Here you go. There you go.
So,
I'm just gonna try this. Let's see how it's gonna work out. Honestly, really awesome. It's
so
delicious.
yummy, so juicy.
And what is this? It doesn't seem bulky.
I think it's called charbi.
Cherby.
Yeah, charbi.
All right, I'm just gonna try this. Mmm.
So juicy, huh?
Yeah, it is.
So delicious.
Mmm. Wow.
I think now you should try this.
Okay.
Afghani pulao.
I will have a cup. Seems really
हम
good.
अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं क्योंकि ज़ाहिर है मिस्टर विकी जो है वो हमारे लिए एक मेहमान है जो कि स्पेशली यूके से पाकिस्तान आए हैं यहाँ पर स्पेशली कराची के जो फूड्स हैं उनको एंजॉय करने के लिए. तो हमारी भरपूर कोशिश है कि मिस्टर विकी जो है इस फूड को एंजॉय करें. मिस्टर विकी,
It is more like Afghani pulao.
अफगानी पुलाव. या
Mmm. It's really awesome. It is. This is so-called rosh, right?
रोश. या
Rosh.
इट्स अ रोश.
And it does come with a curry, right?
Curry, shorba, you can call it also shorba.
Guys, I'm gonna have this big naan and see.
Mr. Vicky,
This
can
is
you
something crazy,
can you
know.
finish this? Can you finish this in one time?
Not really. I
Not
can
really.
try my level best to finish it, but
But
you
I
know,
have
like
I have an idea. मैं अपने ये जितने भी हमारे देखने वाले व्यूवर्स हैं, बल्कि आई थिंक वी शुड एक चैलेंज हमें रखना चाहिए. कैसा रहेगा अगर इस रोटी के लिए हम एक चैलेंज रखें? हमारे जितने भी देखने वाले व्यूवर्स हैं जो हमें इस वक्त देख रहे हैं और ये रोटी विकी के हाथ में देख रहे हैं, मेरे ख्याल से ये मैं अपने व्यूवर्स को एक चैलेंज देना चाहूँगी कि अगर कोई यहाँ पर आकर और ये एक रोटी पूरी ख़त्म कर कर हमें दिखाए, सो आई थिंक हमें उनके लिए कोई गिफ्ट वगैरह रखना चाहिए. कैसा रहेगा?
yes, it can be workable, like, but you know, like
Nobody can.
it's really hard for me to finish it. Like, it's really big, so I can try. Let's see how it's gonna work then. So
Okay.
let's have a
Let's see. Let's have a look.
look. All right, so let me just break it from here. All right, there we go, guys. Look at that. Have some.
अच्छा, वैसे तो हम लोग यहाँ से उठ गए थे जाने के लिए, लेकिन फिर सडनली एक मिस्टर आए और उन्होंने हमें रोक लिया. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि यहाँ के जो लोग हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा जो है मेहमान नवाज हैं. तो खाना तो हम खा चुके थे, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि यहाँ का जो कावा है वो भी आपको ट्राई करना पड़ेगा.
What is this? What is that called?
या दिस इज कावा.
Kewa.
या यू कैन ऑल्सो से द केवा,
Kewa.
कावा. या
Kewa. All right. I would love to try this. Like, how does it work there?
So let's try it. हमें ये कावा पीने के लिए ना लाइक इसके अंदर जो है ना बिल्कुल भी जो है वो शुगर नहीं होती है।
Okay.
ये हम इसका जो एक तरीका है वो ये है कि हम पहले ये लेंगे, ठीक है?
Alright.
इट्स यू कैन से इट्स गुड़। व्हाट?
It's good.
या व्हाट?
It's good. Good. It's good.
It's
Good.
good, ठीक है? हम पहले ये लेंगे थोड़ा सा, एक बाइट आप लेंगे, देन आप ये कावा फिर पिएंगे।
Alright.
Okay.
I will try that.
This is the rule.
All right.
And you will have to follow.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna take it as good,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna take it just a little bite. Oh. Mmm. It's a sweet, right? So I've just got it this, and I'm having this kebab. It's really hot.
मेरे ख्याल से ये चीज़ भी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है जब आप इस तरह के खाने खा रहे होते हैं तो आपको इस तरह के कावे की मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है।
It's
And
really
you are not
hot.
comfortable.
A little bit, like you can say that I'm not comfortable, but okay, that's fine. Seems really good though. And as Sonia told me about this is keva, and it's really amazing.